Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert MP4 to MP3 with VLC Media Player. To convert MP4 to MP3, you can do the following. Open VLC Media Player, then press Ctrl+R, click Add and select the MP4 video you want to convert. Click on Convert and Save at the bottom. In the Profile drop-down menu, select Audio, MP3. Click on Browse. To select where you want to save the MP3 file, name the file and ensure it has a MP3 extension. Click on Start and wait for VLC to process. Your MP3 file is now ready.
She's as busy as a bee preparing for the event. Even during the crisis, he stayed as cool as a cucumber.
That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.